Welcome back to Quest Bites. I'm Chantel, your host. Okay, today we're going to talk about engineering tools. Engineers use a wide variety of tools to design and create cool things. The most important tool that engineers have are their brains. Who here can point to their brain? Good. It looks like you all have one, so you're well on your way to being an engineer. Okay, pen and paper. Some engineers still like to doodle as they think about their new ideas. Today we're going to design something simple. I want you to think of a neat thing to have on the desk at home. Got it in your head? Okay, draw. Mine is Ursula's crown. Pretty cool, right? But you know what's cooler? 3D models. See, there's this thing called CAD, and CAD, and CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. You can use computers to help you design. It's nice because everyone can see a better image of what you're trying to make. Here's an example of someone making a heart for Valentine's Day in CAD. Pretty cool, right? So computers can get even more helpful with other tools. They can tell you things like what will happen when you pour water into a cup. Nifty, right? Computers can get all sorts of tools just going and doing great things. At Quest, we use SolidWorks for our CAD program. They have a tool called SolidWorks Apps for Kids that you can use to do 3D modeling. See, here's my Ursula crown. It's much easier to tell what it is this way, isn't it? Okay, who here knows what a 3D printer is? Click yes if you do, and click no if you don't. All right, for those who don't, 3D printers are like regular printers, except instead of printing a flat image on a paper, they print layers of materials so that it becomes a full object. Neat, right? If I wanted, I can print my Ursula crown on one of our Sindo 3D Wax 3D printers like you see here. At Quest, we can print in lots of things, like plastic and metal. If you want to see how a kid in this area did it, have your parents help you navigate to this video of our friend Brinley. She wanted to design glasses for her American Girl doll. She used the tools I showed you today to make them. I'll put the link inside the comments for you. This is the link to get signed up for the Apps for Kids account. It's totally free, so have mom and dad help you get started. Be sure to join because tomorrow our guest presenter is going to give you a challenge in it. He's a real-life engineer and he's got some really cool things to show you. If you're looking for a fun project for the weekend, check out this egg drop challenge. Can you drop an egg from a high height without it breaking? Let me know on Monday. Thanks for being good listeners. I'll see you tomorrow.